Do you want to clear search history on TikTok? You can delete your search history on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To clear all search history on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your TikTok profile. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, scroll down and tap on Activity Center under the Content and Activity section. Here, you will see different options. Tap on Search History. You'll see a list of your past searches. Tap on Select at the top right, then choose the search terms you want to delete. You can also tap Select All Search History at the bottom to choose everything. Once selected, tap on the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. Now, your TikTok search history has been successfully removed.